How to manage offline files on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download, access, and manage files that are available without an internet connection. First, open the Files app on your iPhone. Tap Browse and go to iCloud Drive or the folder where your file is stored. To make a file available offline, press and hold on the file. Then tap Download Now if the option appears. This will save a local copy to your device, so you can access it even when you're offline. Once downloaded, you can open and use the file without an internet connection. To manage multiple files, tap the three-dot menu in the top corner and select Select. Choose the files you want to manage, then use options like Move, Copy, Rename, Delete, or Share. You can also store important files in the On My iPhone location. Files saved there remain on your device and are always available offline. On my device, some files may already be downloaded, so the options you see might look slightly different. Just follow the same steps on your iPhone. And that's how to manage offline files on your iPhone and access your documents without an internet connection. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and guides.